what's up, my beautiful people? I'm Leah. Just kidding. This is my beautiful sister Maya, and I will be doing. So we're gonna be doing this glamorous fortune teller costume.
Makeup. It's makeup we did. So today, keep watching if you want to learn how to do this beautiful fortune teller look, perfect for
Halloween.
Okay guys, so today, because I'm like pale but like not pale at the same time, we're going to be using the Kat Von D Lock It Foundation in the light 45 neutral. And then we're going to take the Urban Decay All Nighter 7.5, mix these bad boys together and put it on my face.
So next we're just gonna cake her the face.
Cake her to face her. Cake that.
Some RCMA, you're gonna bake that face because you know you're gonna be out all night getting sweaty.
And you don't want those creases.
And you don't want no creases.
Cake it or cake. Now you're gonna set your oven to 150 degrees. Oh yeah, you gotta get.
Maya here likes it all in the noses.
I hate when it feels like oily. It's like such a disgusting.
Oh, and you better not forget her neck. If you don't get that neck all cake.
It's disgusting when it feels all like, ugh. Like you're just gonna batter it up.
If you don't batter it, she's gonna kill you.
It feels gross.
Like, how is that? Is that up to your standards, or you need more? She's quite picky when it comes to the baking.
Cause I don't like feeling like oily and like, you know, like that feeling just feels.
You can't be
cake.
sticky.
No.
No.
No one likes a sticky Susie. Get out. Who's Susie?
Okay, now I'm gonna go into my blush bar palette and take some nice Hoola and some Dandelion and possibly some California rolls.
It's called
No,
California.
it's just called Galifornia.
Now you're gonna want to snatch that nose.
Next, I'm gonna take my precisely my brow pencil and just, this is in number 2, and I'm just gonna do the brows. Okay, then I'm gonna take my 24-hour brow setter and just set the bad boys down. Okay, next I'm gonna go into my Anastasia Modern Renaissance. So I'm gonna take the STILA Gold Goddess Glitter.
Time for the most important part.
So then we're gonna take this Melted MAC by Too Faced.
Oh my god, where did the tango? Ayush.
Oh my god, it's on teeth. Next, I'm gonna take my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray and, you know, just spray the face until it's soaking wet.
And also following me, Maya.Sonity is my Instagram. And I'm gonna be starting my own YouTube channel because I can.
So make sure you go give her a follow.
Even though I don't have anything yet.
Yeah.
But I might. I see videos in my future.
Everyone for watching. I hope everyone enjoyed this gorgeous fortune teller look. Don't forget to give this video a good old thumbs up, leave comments below, and subscribe. Goodbye, my lovelies.
In your future, I see you liking this video and subscribing down below.
Oh my god!